sir.
Right, thank you. So let's start. What we've seen is the markets which are more or less range bound, but we are gradually seeing the long build up in the Nifty side. Bank Nifty, the open interest as well as the price both are stagnant. So let's look at the option distribution. So for tomorrow's expiry, Nifty is right now closed at 18,118, and as you can see, 18,100, 18,200 is the place where maximum amount of call has been written. So that means that uh, from 18,118, hardly 80-90 point upside is there. At 2000, at 18,200 and 300, lot of calls have been written. Now let's look at the put also. So 18,100, 18,000 puts have been also written. So what this suggests is that we don't expect nothing more than a percent kind of volatility tomorrow. No large movement is going to come out tomorrow. Traders are not expecting anything. What this means is that depending upon how international market closes today, tomorrow morning, if Nifty were to come to 18,000 kind of level, you should create a long position for the day with appropriate stop loss, and around 18,200 you should book profit. Conversely, if market were to go up to 18,200 for a day for tomorrow's expiry, you can create short positions. So for markets to move away ahead from here for budget and beyond, you should look for it to cross the 18,200 hurdle. If you see that market has crossed it, then create long position, because that is the hurdle for now. And if it were to fall to 17,900 post budget, around that line, depending upon the budget provisions, we can have a call. But right now, markets are not expecting a large up move or down move, especially for tomorrow expiry and even post budget. Let's see what FIs are doing. So earlier on beginning of January, they had a sharp short position. Gradually by 18th of January, they have covered their short and started going into net long territory. And now we are seeing that they have about 1.2 times long for every short. So basically FIs have also covered their shorts and they are not expecting any sharp down move from here. Obviously, there are still, for every long there is a short, but net they are more long than short now. So 17,900 put writing, 18,100 call writing. Markets are stuck in this range. Once we cross 18,200, which looks like post budget, we will cross it. Unless there is some drastic negative news in the budget, things are looking up from markets. Gradually you accumulate long on stop loss to 17,900, and once 18,200 is crossed, you can create aggressive long as well. Bank Nifty again around 42,700 is the close. Stop loss for long should be 42,000, and we remain bullish on the Bank Nifty also. We think that the results and other things have corroborated. There is an upside. Immediate resistance is at 43,000 level. So post tomorrow expiry, we don't expect much movement. Right now 42,700 is the closing. A lot of calls have been written at 43,000 level and puts have been written at 42,500. So within this 500 band only, it is likely to expire. As if it comes near this band 42,500, create long for tomorrow. Around 43,000 and 43,500 is the immediate resistances. Once we cross this hurdle, post budget, we can expect a good upside. Sector-wise, as I mentioned last time, oil and gas, technology, and metal. These are the key sectors where longs have been created. So if you were to create long, create opportunity, create positions in oil and gas sector, metal, or technology, especially our we highlighted that the technology sector is showing good sign. Post results, it is actually showing good build-up. On the negative side, we see the chemical as one of the sectors where there is some short build-up. So shorts on chemicals, long on oil and gas, technology, and metals is the advice from our side. All right. So range bound market for tomorrow. Then there is on a slight decline, create long. Overall, we are bullish. We think that the post budget market is likely to break out. And in the February series, you can create long position with 42,700 in Bank Nifty as a stop loss and 17,900 as a stop loss in Nifty. And with these stop losses, you create long positions for the February expiry. And also, we will also come out with a strategy for budget in which we will advise, especially the large long only investors. If you are an investor with a large portfolio and if you want to hedge your portfolio, what are the strategy? What are the possible options available? We will come out with strategy that for that also before the budget over the weekend. So look out for hedging strategy for the long only large portfolios. Otherwise, traders can look to create long positions on decline. That's all from my side. Over to you, Taran.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for your outlook on the market. So today, tomorrow, not only be the weekly expiry, but also there is a monthly expiry. So we can get benefit from this outlook. Now we'll just showcase you one of the important features of our Pro Terminal is the Excel based trading. So a lot many traders do trade based upon various kind of formulas, but on the live channel they are not able to do it unless and until that is linked to the Excel. Then only you will be able to apply the formulas, and based upon whatever the indicator shows after applying the formula, you can trade. You can take a positions from the Excel itself. So how you can do it? Let us understand, and this is available only in Pro Terminal. So once you go onto the Pro Terminal, there will be a watch list which will be showcased it to you. So whatever watch list you want to see the Excel, sorry, the live codes in the Excel. So that you need to select first whatever watch list I want to see this my watch list, and now I have to click on link to Excel. So once I click on link to Excel, there will be two options which will be asking. So now this any one of the options you have to select now based upon your computer configuration. One of the option would not work. The second option would work. So you need to select any of the options, and you need to select one by one. So to test which of the options is suitable to you. Now for my configuration, this option is suitable. That is add in 64 packet. So I will click on this, and then the Excel file will get download. I need to click on Excel file. Now, one thing you want to make sure once you use this Excel based trading, there should not be any Excel file which is open, because what will happen, the feeds will get mismatched, and hence there should only be one file which is open, that is this Excel based trading, this live feeds file. Now, once you open this, whatever stocks you have, whatever symbols you have in the My Watch list, all of the symbols will get pop up over here. And based upon that, there will be a real-time live feeds which will happen in terms of price, in terms of price change, everything which is there. So one can see this on a real-time basis. Whatever price change is there, this all things you can see on the real time basis. Whatever columns you want, you can add, or you can delete if there is any unwanted column to you, so that it becomes more crisp. And here you can also apply whatever formula you want to apply. So based upon the formula, whatever it is, because many of the traders do have certain kind of technical formulas which do they apply in their Excel sheet. So here you can apply the formulas, and once your criteria matches, you can directly buy and sell from this screen only. Now suppose you want to go long on Reliance, so you can straightly click on buy. Once you click on buy button, it will take you to the Pro Terminal, and directly you need to place order whatever the quantity you want to buy, and just click on place this order. So it's a very simple tool and very useful tool to take advantage of a real-time feeds, and also take advantage of the formula which you can basically write it on the Excel, and based upon that, whatever recommendations you will get, you can directly buy and sell from this screen itself. So I hope your this tool is quite useful to you all, and you will use this tool for your day-to-day trading. So that's it from our end. Now we'll open this forum for question answer section. So if anyone has any kind of questions regarding the outlook on the market and the Excel-based trading which we had discussed, you can write it on the question answer section which is there on the right hand side of your screen, and we'll reply you back. So Mr. Ganesh is asking, there's one question. He want to understand trailing stop loss order when it will be applicable in app. So trailing stop loss order. So we are coming out with a new version of application of our normal HDFC securities portal in our mobile app. So right now in trailing stop loss order is not in the agenda, but yeah, in the next version which you will be getting in the next quarter, there is we have incorporated this, so you can get trailing stop loss in the mobile app in the next quarter, but not as of now. So Mr. Himanshu is asking, I'm trying, but it is working properly. So I don't getting error, cannot run the macro buy range. So Mr. Himanshu, you can try on the both the options which you would be there. So any of the options would get enables, because there is some configuration which has been required. So based upon the configuration, any of the options will work for you. So if there are any questions, we'll request you to please write it on the question answer section, which is there on the right hand side of your screen. So Mr. Ganesh is asking how to put stop loss order and target price, target order simultaneously in a one single order. So this is called as a bracket order, but bracket order we do have as of now only in futures, not in options. So how to do that? Let us understand. It is not in the pro terminal, but we have it in our empowered and trade or empowered. How to place bracket order in future? As of now, we don't have in options. So suppose you want to go long in Nifty future, current market price is 18117, and you simultaneously want to place the stop loss order and the target price order from the one single order window. So you need to click on plus because you need to go long. Now on margin, you need to select cover, and under market, you need to select bracket. So once you select the bracket, your first leg automatically will go at market price, and the second two legs, that is the next two legs, that is the target price and the stop loss price, you need to fit in this order window. Suppose you want to fit target as 18,200 and stop loss at suppose 18,000. So this 18,000 should be a trigger price, and the limit price automatically it will come. And now you need to place this order. Since it is offline, we cannot place this order. We need to place this order and then confirm. So what will happen? Your first order will execute at market, and the rest two orders, that is your target and the stop loss, will be into the system. Now, if any of the orders get executed, the second order will automatically get cancelled. So this is called as the bracket order, which is available in our empowered, but as of now we don't have in the pro terminal. Mr. Himanshu is asking to whom we need to contact regarding the configuration. So Himanshu, you need to write it to our service at hdfcsecurities.com if you are facing any difficulty in availing this Excel based trading. So they will help you, they will reach out to us and will guide you with all the configuration which is needed. Mr. Ankit is asking how to add multiple legs of orders in index options at one go. So it is called as a basket order, Mr. Ankit. So here we have a basket order. If you go to Empower, under equity, we have a basket order. You need to click on basket. So here I'll just delete all the securities which I have in my basket. So suppose you need to first create one basket. Now we want to buy 18,000 call and simultaneously sell 18,200 calls for tomorrow expiry, or 18,300 call for tomorrow expiry. Then and you want to do it at a one go. So how you can do it? Select derivatives. Now select buy NSE option index. Now underlying select Nifty. Suppose for tomorrow's expiry also, you tomorrow expiry only you want to place the trade, that is 18,000 call, which is buy. The current market price is 130. So whatever price you want to buy this, you can suppose I want to buy at 132, which is above the current market price. And also I want to sell 18,300 call option. I'll select option index, select Nifty. So I will select the expiry and select 18,300 call option. Current market price 3 rupees. So suppose I want to sell it at 3 rupees. I'll add this order. I will have to save this basket once I add whatever legs I want to buy and sell. And then I have to save this basket. Once you save this basket, you can go to place order basket. Under place order basket, you need to select both this leg. And once you select both this leg, you need to place this order. So right now the market is offline. I won't be able to do it, but you will be able to do it for buying. And so from one single order window, you can initiate this strategy. So I hope we have answered your query. So one more question by Mr. Syed. How can we view or fetch data of DMA in Excel? So whatever column feeds we have in the Excel in that particular pro terminal watch list, that only we'll be able to fetch. So let us see if we have this column of DMA. So this is the watch list, and if you want to, one sec. Now, if you go there, now these are the columns which you can add in terms of Excel. These are the columns. So you have all these columns where you can add. So here we don't have any kind of an moving averages. So if you right now you won't be able to basically add this moving averages column. So you can only add this column which are available as of now in this description. So these are the column which has been selected, and that only you can add. Mr. Narayana is asking, could you show how to keep stop loss in Pro Terminal? So, surely. So the stop loss order in Pro Terminal is an easy tool where you can place. Now, suppose you have Nifty future you have bought at 18,118 and you need to place a stop loss and click on sell. I assume it is a selling stop loss. Now under limit, you need to select SL order. This is an SL order. Click on SL order. This trigger price will automatically populated. Suppose you want to place it 18,000 as a stop loss and limit price should be just below 18,000. Suppose 20.7980. And once I place this order and confirm that the stop loss order will be placed. But make sure in order type you select SL as an order type, and then only you will be able to place the stop loss order. Mr. Vinayak is asking, what is the maximum limit to sell contracts in one script? Or say if I have 2,400 Nifty bank contract, can I sell then under two scripts? So yeah, we have an order slicing feature. I will just give you a quick glance of order slicing, how you can do it. So if you're trading in a big quantity, you can do it with our order slicing, because we have a cap from the exchange that for Nifty we cannot place more than 1200 shares in one single order window, and for Bank Nifty it is 900 shares. But if you want to place the order more than that particular cap which is there for the exchange, you can use our order slicing feature which is there in the Pro terminal. Now, suppose you want to, I'll take an example of 18,000 call option. Suppose you want to buy 18,000 call option, 5,000 shares. So here you need to click on buy. 5,000 shares is 18,000 call option, and here you need to click on order slicing. Once you click on order slicing, it will ask you at this 5,000 shares you want to divide in number of slice or number orders or quantity per slice. I want quantity per slice. I want to I want to slice this in a 500 shares per order. So I will select as 500 shares, and I need an option what price I want to buy. Now suppose I want to buy at 120. I will select this as a limit in the price limit, and then I will click on slice the order. So this 500 shares will go at 120 rupees with a different slice of the order. Once you place this order will go into the exchange, and once 120 come, you can this order of 500 shares of different order will get executed. So it will come to around 5,000 shares in all. You will be able to get this 5,000 shares at 120 price. So here in one single order window, you can execute this in the options from one single order window through order slicing.
Tarang, I think we have answered all the questions. We can wrap it up.
Yeah, surely. So yes, we have answered most of the questions. So thank you, sir, for providing us the weekly FNO outlook on the market, and thank you all for attending this session. I hope it was quite useful for you, basically to understand, since tomorrow is a monthly expiry. So based upon that, you can take the view on the market. Thank you all. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you.